Our nation is home to some of the most stunning landscapes in the world. Come explore America's backyard and make memories that you and your family will never forget. Go on an outdoor adventure. Walk in the footsteps of famous people. Take in the unique scenery. Explore new interests. Explore real places you may have only heard about. But most of all, nature parks are a place where you can have fun and create memories that last a lifetime. Find a nature park near you at www.nps.gov/findapark.